Just a quick update on the girls here, the goats. They're looking pretty pregnant. I don't know if you can tell. These goats don't get too huge when they're pregnant, especially the Nubian. But mud pie especially, you look. Yeah, this isn't a good angle, but they look pretty pregnant, and their udders feel pretty full of fluid the last couple of days. Let's see if I can zoom in. We can't get a zoom of your udder? No? You don't want to turn around? No, you want to lick the camera and eat the camera. Okay. Yes, we need a view of your udders. Okay, stop trying to eat the camera. S'mores. Quit it. Anyway, I think they look pretty preggers. Can I get a view of that udder? Ah, you're blocking it. Okay. She had her leg lifted up and everything. Darn it. Dear Premier One Fencing Company, can you please invent some electric fence netting that doesn't look like this every spring, no matter how carefully you fold it up and put it away for the winter? When I try to roll it out, it ends up looking like this every single time. It's just enough to drive somebody nuts. Today we are getting the goats out onto pasture, finally. Spring comes a little late up here in the northeast. Very northeast. And although with all the crazy climate fucking going on, it's been coming sooner and sooner, and the springs are getting hotter and hotter, so out come the goats onto fresh pasture in early May.